everybody, welcome back to my channel, and yes, I'm sharing with you guys new coupons to print. Now I print my coupons from where do I print my Swagbucks, because I get points for every coupon that I print, and then I also go to another browser and I use my husband's phone and I go to my points. So I get points for every single coupon that I print to save for a free Christmas or stuff that I need. So definitely do that. I will be making a free video on Christmas in the future. So let's just see what new coupons to print. So they did add Fancy Feast. We got $1 off a 6 or $1 off a 3-pound bag for that. And then we got, this is all the older items, so nothing's really popping out at me with this. You got a buy one get one free for Hill Science Diet at PetSmart. I don't really like using coupons at those stores. I just feel weird. But now we're going to get down to the new coupons to print. I know Excedrin I think might be new. I'm not sure on that. Fantastic, 50 cents. Garnier, $1. Here is an Arm & Hammer $1 off coupon, 50 cents off Huggies. I always print those off because you never know when you can get them. You have that Carnation Breakfast, Morningstar. Here's $1 off Maybelline Mascara. L'Oreal Paris, a 3 off a 2. Even though our inserts, we do get better ones, I'm still sharing with you guys that. Here's a great Huggies coupons, a $2 off coupon. Nature's Bounty, $1. Pull-ups, $2. Miss Charlotte says hi. We got a Colgate. We have $1 off the Garnier. We have a $2 off Paris, $3 off Rock. I'm going to print that off because there's some product that I actually do like getting in the case there's a deal. Looks like Windex is still available. More L'Oreal Paris. I actually really like this stuff. Arm & Hammer. Listerine. I'm going to print that off. They also have some hair dye stuff, more makeup. Ziploc, $1 off a 2. Now I know we just got some in some inserts, but I haven't seen any Ziploc good deals in a long time. Here is a $2 off Got To Be. Got to print that off. $2 off. Another Arm & Hammer. Now usually those you can only print off one per account, so I will be printing that off again on my other account. $1.50. And then these are all the older. Hold on, you guys. Okay, we're back. So basically nothing else, really nothing reset, nothing really new, but make sure you guys definitely print off. Just going to the bottom to show you guys coupons that did not reset, or if you guys haven't printed those off yet. I hate these little ad thingies. But the Rimmel is still available, print that off. The $1.50 off of 2 Clorox, Crunch, those items. The Axe is still available, the Purell. So make sure if you guys have not printed those off, definitely print those off. But definitely print the coupons that I told you guys if you guys want them. Some of them are really good coupons and some of them are okay. But other than that, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.